Hey guys. So I think I've done this one before, but I can't remember. It's very difficult to remember what videos I've done. Stupid nose. I've got a broken nose, so I've got to crack it to breathe. Not breathe through my nose. It's a nightmare. Flip Flop gets told off by his neighbours and gets shouted at by his dad. I'm sure this was a while ago, and I'm positive I've already done this video, but so what? I'm doing it again.
Rewind. When the crowd say bolt, selector, rewind. Come on, drillers. Come on, drillers. Rewind. Guys, keep sharing. Everyone in the boxes, keep sharing. Keep sharing. Keep sharing, guys. Bolt.
I mean, what did he expect?
What's up, mate?
Telling you to shut up. Oh, running.
Sorry, mate. I didn't mean to disturb you. Huh? What?
I don't know what he said to him.
Sorry, mate. I didn't mean to disturb you. Huh?
Called him a name. I don't know what he called him though. Obviously something Kevin's not happy about. But mind, what do you expect? That time of night? Obviously it doesn't say what time of night, does it? No. But mind knowing him, it'll be quite late.
What?
I do vaguely remember it. But I remember this bit. Because he couldn't get in. Because he'll be panicking now.
We're going to get 100,000 likes anyway, guys.
You never do. See, his dad won't give him a key.
Dad, can you let me in, please?
Dead funny. I don't think he's ever had a key. But mind if his dad's locked the door,
Dad!
then it will be quite late. I mean, you can clearly hear Tuna in the background, so why didn't you just shout for her?
Dad! Can you hear me?
Could be asleep. I thought that noise before that was his. I thought that was a set of keys. It wasn't. It was his necklaces. Obviously, he gets in. Just pathetic. Why did he go out in the first place? What was he hoping to accomplish? That would have been a perfect time for someone to just run up to him and just smack him in the side of the head. Oh, look, he's shouting at his dad now. Something about next door. So next door would have called him something. And he wouldn't have been happy.
Guys, we've nearly done it. Keep going.
What? I thought he was in.
Nah.
No, he went outside like an idiot. Was this not the time when he was too scared to go out? But mind, that's every time. He doesn't go out much now, does he? So he could have been at any time, really. Obviously, he would have been too scared to go out during the day. So he went out during the night. I bet you his neighbours are fed up of him. I bet you they're fed up of the whole lot of them. And his poor dad. His poor dad's never going to get any kind of peace. Anyway, I'll catch you in the next one.